If you're looking to elevate your aerial shots in 2026, DJI has the perfect drone for you. From ultra-lightweight minis to powerful flagships, there's something for every type of creator. In this guide, we're breaking down the top 7 best DJI drones for this year. No confusing tech jargon, just the essentials. One, DJI Mini 3. Let's start with the DJI Mini 3. If you're a traveler who wants to keep your bag light but your footage cinematic, this drone is a must-have. Weighing in at under 249 grams, it's designed for hassle-free travel. No need for registration or complex setups, just unfold and take flight. Despite its small size, the Mini 3 packs a punch with its brushless motors and a stable 3-axis gimbal. It shoots stunning 4K HDR footage with dual native ISO, ensuring that your shots remain crisp even in tricky lighting. Plus, with its true vertical mode, you can capture content for platforms like TikTok and Instagram without worrying about cropping. The Fly More combo offers up to 114 minutes of flight time, perfect for full-day adventures. You also get features like quick shots, panorama, GPS-based return to home, and up to 10 km HD transmission. The only downside? It lacks auto-tracking, but for most casual creators, that won't be a deal-breaker. The Mini 3 is the go-to drone for simple, stress-free travel filmmaking. Two, DJI Mini 5 Pro. Now, if the Mini 3 is your starter drone, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is the premium upgrade you've been waiting for. It stays under 250 grams but adds some serious pro-level features. With a 1-inch CMOS sensor capable of shooting 4K 60 HDR, it performs exceptionally well in low-light conditions where other minis often fall short. Safety is taken up a notch with Nightcape omnidirectional obstacle sensing, powered by LiDAR and vision sensors. Whether you're flying in tight spaces or at night, the Mini 5 Pro gives you extra control and confidence. The Active Track 360 degrees feature ensures stable tracking of moving subjects, eliminating the annoying drifting that can occur in older minis. With a 52-minute flight time using the Plus battery, this drone is perfect for longer sessions. Creators love its polished build and rock-solid stability in the air. Three, DJI Avatar 2. For those seeking something more immersive, the DJI Avatar 2 takes your flying experience to a whole new level. This FPV drone lets you feel like you're inside the cockpit, thanks to the sharp visuals and low latency feed when paired with the Goggles 3. With the Motion 3 controller, all you have to do is tilt your hand, and the drone follows, making it incredibly easy to perform smooth drifts, flips, and tight turns. The Avatar 2's 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor and wide 155 degrees field of view capture 4K 60 footage that's perfect for POV cinematic shots. Built-in propeller guards make it safer for indoor and close-quarters flying. If you're looking for an adrenaline-packed experience without the hassle of building your own FPV rig, the Avatar 2 is your go-to drone. Four, DJI Air 3S. Next up, we have the DJI Air 3S, the perfect balance of power, flexibility, and portability. Featuring a 1-inch CMOS wide-angle camera, this drone excels in low-light environments, delivering stunning 4K 60 HDR footage with 14 stops of dynamic range. The Air 3S offers a medium telephoto camera, giving you the flexibility to capture tight shots without compromising on quality. Safety is enhanced with omnidirectional sensing, and flight time reaches up to 45 minutes. With a 20 km transmission range, you can capture clean, stable footage at long distances, even in challenging environments. It's the ideal choice for creators who want versatility without stepping into full-fledged professional territory. 5. DJI Mavic 4 Pro. Now, if you're ready to go all in on premium filmmaking, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is the final boss of consumer drones. Featuring a tri-camera system and an insane 100-megapixel Hasselblad 4 of 3 CMOS camera, the Mavic 4 Pro shoots up to 6K 60 HDR footage with stunning color accuracy and razor-sharp detail. Its dual telephoto lenses give you the ability to zoom without losing image quality, while the Infinity gimbal allows 360 degrees rotational moves, usually only available with expensive cinema-grade gear. Safety is top-notch with 0.1 lux nightscape obstacle sensing, allowing you to fly in low light with ease. With up to 51 minutes of flight time and a 30 km transmission range, this drone is perfect for capturing expansive landscapes with a stable 10-bit HDR feed. Six. DJI Mini 4K. For those who want high-quality shots without all the bells and whistles, the DJI Mini 4K is the perfect beginner-friendly drone. It delivers real 4K UHD footage with a brushless motor and stable 3-axis gimbal, even in strong winds. It's incredibly easy to fly, with features like auto takeoff, quick shots, and 10 km HD transmission. If you're just getting started but still want to produce clean, cinematic footage, the Mini 4K is an excellent choice. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned creator, DJI has a drone that fits your needs. From the lightweight and stress-free Mini 3 to the powerhouse Mavic 4 Pro, these top 7 DJI drones will take your filmmaking to new heights in 2026. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more drone reviews and tips.